corner, well, the deepest and darkest corner of my apartment, which is my entryway, where I have this giant coat closet full of stuff. Like, it's just full of stuff. I moved those coats out of my wardrobe the other day and I put them in here and it's a mess. I have my suitcases stored in here, which I actually really like. And then this bag here was my old laundry hamper and it has now become Halloween decorations. And I want to organize this so it's really nice, and then it makes it easy for me to have access to all of my coats this winter, because if they're like this, it is not going to be fun to come home and trying to shove coats in, trying to take them out. So I want to organize all of this. And this morning I jumped straight into trying to find some storage bins for this top shelf to put in some of my Christmas decorations, and I think in these boxes could be my summer clothes. So I also want to do that so that I can have just a whole bunch of neat stacked up boxes up the top there. Okay, I just measured the width of the cupboard, the depth of the shelf, and the height to the ceiling so that I can work out what type of containers I want and get the absolute maximum use out of that space. This is the container that I've been looking at. They're from Canadian Tire. I feel like I could get 2 of these and then 2 smaller ones that are the same width and length that I could fit above that. And then I would have just a little bit of room next to that on the shelf as well. But they have so many different options at Canadian Tire, so I think I should just duck in and have a quick look around at some storage and, I don't know, just grab what I can to get a start on this, because I really don't want to spend too much time thinking about it. I really didn't want to go into the Eaton Centre until maybe later or another day where I could just do a bunch of different things and figure out all the different things that I want to get. But I'm just not in that mood today. I just want to do some storage, and so I'm just going to go purely for storage. If I see anything along the way that can help me on other projects around the house, I will do it. But I just need storage bins. I need a lot of them, and I just want to get this organized. So I'm going to take my little measurements page with me, and hopefully I come home with a whole bunch of new storage for the top shelf of not only the front cupboard, but maybe even the wardrobe as well. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an online platform where you can create websites, blogs, and e-commerce stores, and it is the platform that I have used to create my online store, The Inventory, which has planners, both physical and digital. I'll have a link to it in the description. But if you are looking to create a website, a blog, or an e-commerce store like I have, then I would recommend looking at Squarespace, as they have a whole range of templates to choose from to get you started. You also have the ability to connect to all of your social media accounts to make cross-promoting across the various platforms really easy. There's also a range of third-party apps that you can connect to for shipping, accounting, inventory tracking, everything to make running your business a whole lot easier. They also have a great range of analytics where you can see where your traffic is coming from and what products are performing the best, and that way you can make more informed decisions about the future of your business. So if you are looking to start a website, then head to squarespace.com and use my code, or click the link in the description to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. I have many containers, and that actually only took me about an hour, which is kind of impressive. I feel like usually whenever I go out to run errands or do anything, it becomes like a whole day thing, kind of mentally. I just feel like it just takes up a whole day. I don't know if I'm the only person that feels that way, but I'm glad that it only took an hour, because now I have plenty of time today to get organized. I got 2 types of bins. I got 6 of these slightly smaller ones, and I figured I could stack 3 of these up on top of that top shelf. And then I also got 2 of these larger ones down the bottom where I could put one of these with one of the smaller ones on top. Not really sure if this is too many bins or if I need more, but it's a start and it really didn't take that long, so I'm not opposed to having to go back if I really need to. This is what I've got so far. I've got 2 tubs of clothes up here and then a tub of Halloween stuff. These ones I can actually put them lengthways and they hang over the edge a little bit, but it's totally fine. So I'll put the other large tub next to this one the same way, and then these 2 can go horizontal, I guess is the word, and they will sit against the back wall, and then that will be a whole top shelf of organization. I have just started to dig through all of my Christmas stuff, which is probably perfect timing, to be honest, because I think I might put my Christmas tree up this weekend. It's not such a bad thing to be sorting through this right now. The thing that I'm probably gonna do though is I think I'm gonna have more of a gold and a white Christmas rather than red this year, so I will pack the red stuff away and maybe keep out all of the more white and gold things. I don't know if anyone else is like this, but I feel like I alternate. Like one year I'll do red, then the next year I'll do like white and gold, and then I'll do red and white and gold. I like to alternate each year. So that's the plan. I am going to keep out some of these candles though, just because they are nice winter scents. This one is from H&M Home from 2 years ago. And then I think this little one is from Home Sense 2 years ago. That's the plan. Let's get to it. One of these containers will have to have all of my pumpkins in it, but I'm actually not quite ready to pack them up. I was just testing whether the big one would actually fit in. So this will be a pumpkin box and I hope they will fit in it. I mean, I think they would, looking around. Fingers crossed. I'm just hoping I don't have to go anywhere really quickly because yeah, I've made a bit of a mess, but the top of my cupboard is looking so much better. The empty box up there is for the pumpkins. I was thinking I might even do a box above the clothes that's like my summer sandals, but I honestly only have like 2 pairs of sandals, so don't know that that's really gonna be useful, but I'm really happy with it. I feel like it's all coming together nicely. The next thing I need to do is open this big suitcase and put this little one inside it. I already have my medium inside the other one, and then I'm wondering if I should even just take these down to my storage locker or whether I should leave them in here. I will think about that. in progress. I have 2 bins up the top that are empty. I said before the one in the middle is going to be for my fall pumpkins. The one at the end, I'm not sure. I bet I will probably have excess Christmas stuff that won't fit into this big bin that can probably just go in there as well. And then on this side, I have all these styrofoam pieces that I saved from packaging and whatnot because I thought it would be fun to wrap them. I'm not really a big gift person. My family, we don't really do gifts, so I thought it would be fun to make some fake gifts and put them under the tree just so that it looks a little more festive and looks like we participate. And then I have all of my coats and I'm so happy with them. They are unintentionally almost color coded, but there's so much space now and I can actually see the floor. I have some weights down there. At the back, I have a bag of leftover outdoor tiles. I have a can of paint that is for the walls in this place. The owner left it for me in case I wanted to paint anything. I have my suitcases. I have a tree base for a real tree, which was from when I was here last time. This Zotime thing is my inflatable mattress. And then I have my yoga mat and then a picnic mat at the back. But I'm starting to think that maybe I really should utilize my storage locker and get rid of some of these more bigger and bulkier items. But so happy with it. It feels so much better in here. I just put my shoes back in there. I really need to figure that out because I don't particularly wear half these shoes now because they are sort of summer shoes, but it's fine. They're better than, you know, sitting here in the hallway. I was using my side table to stand on to be able to reach those top shelves, but I think that's pretty much it. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I do have 2 of these tubs left over. I'm not gonna return them. I will find something that will be able to go into these. I might take them into my bedroom and maybe see about that top shelf in my wardrobe. I have a whole bunch of stuff up here that I just can't really be bothered to sort through today, so I think I'll just stack the 2 boxes up here, and this can be a whole other day, especially when I get the other little tubs that I think I want to get for up here. I broke down all of the boxes, and this large cardboard box is from my drawers that I built the other day for my wardrobe. So now I can take all of this stuff down to the garbage room, and then this is a bunch of stuff. There's some clothes, home decor, different things in there that I am gonna donate. I no longer need them. Actually, if there's anyone that lives in Toronto and wants this stuff, let me know and I will meet up with you and you can have it because I want to be able to give it to a new home to someone that really wants it. So if you want any of this full home decor, and there's some clothes in there too, just let me know because it is yours. You can have it. And yeah, now my entryway looks so much better. I don't have to worry about shoes all over the floor because ever since I moved in, I've always had a pile of shoes down there. But yeah, it's all done. All I have to do now is take out the rubbish.